always late. I can't take you anymore. You have no more sick time. Oh, now 6. Are you okay? You don't do your work. You handed everything late. You owe me 3 reports.
Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're down at the Yiannimize unit to do an installation for PT plates. So these guys have got the unit around the back where they're doing some custom work, and we're going to put our vented tile system in, so stay tuned, we'll show you the whole process.
Twenty minutes later.
I've had some serious fatality on my USB, man.
What's the difference between fitting these apart from the ones that we fitted in?
I don't know, man. It's my first day. With the vented, obviously it's a serrated, so you can let the liquid or fluids or whatever you're using, so if it's a detailing or if you're tinting, PPFing, anything like that, all the water can just drain through. You can then blow it out, or you can just hoover over the top if it's dusty. So.
With regards to like fitting techniques, is it any different or?
A little bit trickier to cut, but a smaller tile, so easier in the guillotine.
Got to shoot a serious video over there, and all we can hear is.
Where is everyone?
Wait, they've just left me to do all the full tiles are laid, which is like the nice easy bit. But now obviously we're getting onto the cutting. Everyone's disappeared, and they're just going to leave me to expecting me to do a jump, a click, or a clap. I don't know.
Flooring's all done now, so now we're just going to add our PVC skirting to give it a nice finish.
Tuesday morning, me and George are in the van just heading up to Telford to do a job for Hamza, the YouTuber, so stay tuned, we'll show you that job and show you the rest of this week. Just arrived on site. This is Hamza's new workshop, so we're going to be completing this small area at the back here, so stay tuned and we're going to get everything in and get started. All finished for Hamza. We're just going to shoot back down to London now, meet the rest of the team and get ready for the rest of this week's work. But stay tuned, we're going to show you some more of what's coming later this week. Hi guys, it's now Thursday morning, just sat in some London traffic, but just going over to meet Adam and do a survey for DMO DJ. So we've done lots of work for DMO, probably one of Garage Style's best customers over the years, loads of different garages done for him. So stay tuned, that video is coming very soon as well. The rest of the guys are in London with a couple of installations today. Adam's got to head to Reading for a survey after this, and then we're all on a big installation tomorrow, which we're going to film as well. So stay tuned and we're going to show you the rest of this week.
Measure up. Collaboration coming soon. Right, it has been a pretty crazy week this week. We've done TBT plates, and we've done TR Hamza. So we've had a mad week, couple of collaborations. We've also done a few crazy surveys, which you're going to see on a couple of our stories. But we are now here, we're down in Barking. Right, it's quite an easy, straightforward one. It's a nice square room. So it's me and my brother. When it's on, it's on. It's a Barking ting.
Random guess. There's one line. How many lines do you reckon going to be to fill it?
30.
30 lines.
30 lines.
Done one line. How many lines to fill the whole place?
Ooh, mate, let me have a think.
I'm not going to tell you his guess either.
Say like 32.
1.
Right, so we're gonna have a little race. So we've got 10 boxes out, so that's 5 boxes each. First person to fit all 5 boxes wins the game. Who's your money on, me or Lloyd?
3, 2, 1, go. It's looking fair even.
Is it, yeah? You sure? Have a look, have a look. Son, face, look at him. Look at him, the sweat going off his brow.
Hey, you left the whole line.
Who's the winner then?
Who's the winner? Who do you think the winner was? That is all. That is all.
I don't want just anybody. Let me treat you like somebody. Try to dive on a ride. It's forever, we ain't stopping. You the life of the party.
The only cleaner we use. Auto finesse, eh? Jeez.
Now, won't tell nobody. Down the middle, if I get it, then you got it. Seen the first inside the lobby. It's a girl I want for life right beside me. Stuck together through whatever, like we signed me. She ain't slow type, I keep telling her to try me. Keep it on the low, but I'm following.
Right, so that's this week all done. It's been a crazy week. Thanks for watching, guys. And this is a new format of video we're going to do, so we're going to try to put out a weekly vlog. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you on next week's video.